So we will show our viewers how to check if the bird is a red factor. Hindi, I'll show first the ano. Hindi, dyan lang. It's, yan. Mas maganda lighting. So this one is the normal. Ayan, you can see orange, yellowish yung ilalim. Tapos yung ulo. Pero kapatid to na ano, these are siblings of the red factor. Kuha ka ng isang red factor. Yung sure na red factor. Huwag mo muna yung ano. Let's show the head. Ayan, the head. Okay, the head. And then underwing. Wala pa sa kabila. Wala pa eh. Kunin mo yung isa. Ayan. Hindi, yun. Ay, sige, baba mo muna. Hindi, yan. You can see the head. Tapos inside wing. Ayan. Black. Yan, it's red. Ay, kunin mo isa. Ito. Hindi, yan. Yan. O, the head. Tignan mo na head. Partial orange red siya. Pero, yan o. Can you see? Rawa ka mga ito ka. Para hindi ko malaw. Yan. Yun. Yan o. Nakita nyo itong portion na ito. Yan. That's the red factor. But, then talaga ayun. Instead of yellow, red siya. Okay. The red factors.